Hi, in this lesson we're going to look at National 4 fractions, and this is non-calculator work. Okay, so for this question here we've been asked to work out 2/3 of $42. This bar here represents one whole, and the one whole being the $42. Now, because we're being asked to work out 2/3, the bar has been cut in three. So remember, the whole bar represents the $42. So first thing we need to do is to split the 42 into 3. So share the 42 out between 3. How many 3s are in 4? With 1 left over. How many 3s are in 12? So each one of these is worth 14. Now, each one of these represents 1/3. And we actually are trying to work out 2/3. So we need to double our 14. And we get 28, right? That's in dollars, isn't it? Okay. Now, you might know a quick way of doing this. And that quick way would be to divide by the 3. Now, that's what we did. Share by the 3 and then times by the 2. Okay, this one here has got 3/5 of 230 grams. So again, remember this whole bar represents the whole of the 230 kilograms. Because we're working in fifths, the bar has been split into 5 equal pieces, but the whole bar represents the 230 kilograms. So first job, let's find how much each piece will be worth. How many 5s are in 23? I'm going to think how many 5s are in 20 to start with, so that's 4 and there's 3 left over. How many 5s are in 30? That's 6. So each one of these pieces is 46. Remember, each of those pieces is also 1/5. Now we're being asked to work out 3/5. Okay, so we need 3 of these pieces. We need 3 46s. Okay, so just do a wee sum at the side. 3 6s make 18. 3 4s make 12, add the 1 is 13. You might do that slightly different. You might work out 40 times 3 and then 6 times 3. 4 times 3 is 12, so 40 times 3 is 120. 6 times 3 is 18, and that makes 138. So it didn't matter which way I did it, I still got 138. Don't forget your units, and this one was in kilograms. Next question again. This bar represents one whole, and it represents the whole of the 176 metres. For this question here, we're going to work out 7/8. So we're going to cut this bar into 8 pieces to work with 8ths. So here's our 8 pieces. Remember that all 8 of these pieces represent 176 metres. Each piece is an 1/8. Right, so first job, let's find the size of one of these pieces. How many 8s are in 176? How many 8s are in 17? I'm going to think how many 8s are in 16, 2, and there's 1 left over. How many 8s are in 16? Another 2. So each one of these blocks is worth 22. How many do I need? 7. I need 7/8, I need 7 of them. So I need 7 lots of 22. And do a wee sum. 7 times 2 is 14. Again, 7 times 2 is 14. Add the 1, 15. Or you might go for 20 times 7 and 2 times 7. 2 times 2 is 14. So 20 times 7 is 140. So both methods gave me 154. But don't forget your units. Okay, here's some questions for you to work out. There are more questions on the next page too, but press pause until you get these ones done. Here's page 2 of your questions. So again, press pause whilst you work these out. And these are the answers that you should have got for your work today. And that's the end of the video.